In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import motion graphics templates in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. To import your motion graphics templates, all you need to do is to come over to the top section over here and select Graphics and Title, and scroll down and select Install Motion Graphics Templates. And what you want to do is to search for the location where you have it saved. I'm just going to scroll down to where I imported some motion graphics templates. I'll select this dark glossy social media lower third and hit open. And yes, I've already imported this template before, but I'm going to hit yes to override. Now to locate this template, come over to Essential Graphics and scroll down and select Browse. If you can't find Essential Graphics, scroll over to the Windows tab over here and ensure that Essential Graphics is checked on. Now under Essential Graphics, under Browse, you can find your imported motion graphics templates. If you can't find it, come over here and sort it to Recent, or you can scroll up over here and search for the name of your motion graphics template. Now select it and drag it into Premiere Pro. You might need to select it and go over to the Effects Control tab and adjust the scale to see it properly. You might also need to adjust the position to place it where you want. To edit this template, select the template and come over to the Edit tab under Essential Graphics and select the Text tab and change the text to whatever you want it to say. So I'm going to change this from your account to IVisualPro.